Hi, in this video I want to tell you how you can calculate change. For example, change in your capital, change in your asset or other. We do that in Excel. Click Start menu in step 1, type EX, click on Excel, click on blank sheet. In step 2 we have 2 years, for example 2019 and 2020. Okay, this is newer year, this is older year. Okay, in step 3 we place equal sign. In step 3 we, for example, have money in $500. In the next year we have $560. How we can calculate the change or the growth? In step 4 we place equal sign here, then we click on the newer value, newer money, minus on your keyboard the older. Okay, we hit the enter button on keyboard, then we click here again. We have equal sign here on the keyboard, on your keyboard of your laptop, and we select this after equal sign, click the difference, divide by the older value. The older value was 500 last year, this is this year. Okay, we click enter, then we just click on the percent. We have 12% of growth or 12% of change. Thank you for watching.